All right, quick one today. I'm going to show you how to set up Antigravity so it works properly with Unity. If you haven't heard of it yet, Antigravity is Google's new code editor with an AI agent built in. It ships with Gemini 3.1 Pro, and honestly, it's pretty solid for programming. Also, little bonus, if you're a student, you can usually get the Gemini Pro plan free for a year. That's nice because it gives you access to that newer model without paying. Okay, installation time. First, head to the Antigravity website. You'll have the link in the description. Click Download Now for Windows, and it'll take you to the download page. Here you just pick your operating system and your CPU type. If you're on Windows and you have no idea what processor you have, it's almost always x64. So yeah, pick x64 in most cases. Download the installer, you'll get in .exe. Once it finishes, run it, and just hit Next through the steps. When the install ends, launch Antigravity just to confirm everything is fine. It might ask you to sign in with your Google account. In my case, it detected it automatically. Same thing with GitHub, it just picked it up. Cool, now that we know it's installed, open Unity. You can make a new project if you want, but I'm just opening one I already had ready. Now go to Window, then Package Management, and in that dropdown choose Package Manager. That opens the Package Manager tab. In the top left, you'll see a plus button. Click it and choose Install Package from Git URL. Quick heads up, if this step doesn't work for you, it's usually because you don't have Git installed on your computer. If that's your case, check the description. I left you a download link for Git there. Alright, continuing. The URL you need to paste is in the repo linked in the description. Open that repo, scroll down a bit, and you'll see the Git URL you need to copy. Paste it into Unity and press Install. When the package finishes installing, you can close the Package Manager. Now we need to tell Unity to use Antigravity as the script editor. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and find External Tools. In External Script Editor, open the dropdown and select Antigravity. And if you don't have the toggles below enabled, I'd recommend turning them on and then clicking Regenerate Project Files, especially if you were using another code editor before. And that's it. You're ready to use Antigravity inside Unity with Google's latest AI models. To test it, go to any script in your project and double-click it. You should see Antigravity open automatically, and from there you can ask it questions about your project and it'll reply without any issue. Alright, that's all for this one. If it helped, you know what to do. See you in the next video.